Well, ladies and gents, that is what happens when you overheat a starter. It's no bueno. Ladies and gentlemen, we have two bad starters, but we have good parts from one, good parts from another, so we're gonna make one good starter. Alright, ladies and gents, we're gonna test if it works. Of course it does, because I did it. Alright, we got it in here. Gotta wire it up and then we'll see if this baby wants to run. Okay, ladies and gents, I ain't done nothing yet but hook the battery up. Drop some gas down the gullet. Let's see. Holy